Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook and Drews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your family a happy Valentine's Day. Now as you can see, I have my hands full here. I have my teddy bear with my balloon, a dozen roses, and 2 boxes of candy. Now the boxes those are homemade. I made them myself. And this is how it looks on the inside. Your favorite candy. Yeah. But I just want to share a quick message with you all. If you have that special someone in your life, whether or not if it's your family member, friends, significant other, whoever, you know, call them up, tell them you love them, send them a text, Happy Valentine's Day, I love you, you know. If not, you can show them that you love them, you know. Buy them a teddy bear, balloon, candy, flowers, take them out to eat, you know, cook a little meal for them when they come home, something, you know, to show your appreciation and show them that you love them, you know. Yeah. But I've been doing this for quite a long time, for 16 years. I'm doing this out of the kindness of my heart, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. In terms of my next recipe, it should be either by this weekend or closer to next week. I'm kind of busy at the moment, but you know. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic Valentine's Day, which I'm sure some of you will. And take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace out.